Before the Baconator came, there was one other before. And it's the Monster Burger from Hardee. Still available to this day, but actually came before the Baconator. And it requires 2 quarter-pound beef patties, seasoned with salt and pepper. And we're going to cook these till we're done. And then melt 1 slice of American cheese on each. And you will see that the Monster Burger is really kind of a prototype for the ultimate thing, which is the Baconator, which is the best fast food burger out there. So anyway, cook these till they're done. All right, and we're pretty much all ready at plating. So what you want to do is get a nicely toasted bun. Take the bottom bun and spread some mayonnaise on there while you drop most of it on the plate. And then you want to place 1 slice of American cheese, the first of our 2 patties that has had the cheese melted, and then the first of our bacon. The Baconator has 6 strips of bacon. This only has 4. Like I said, it's an early prototype. The second patty, followed by some more bacon. I just added an extra little piece for good measure. And then finally the top bun, which has also been had mayonnaise spread on it. And that's it. The Hardee's Monster Burger. Done.